Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of the Dutch Supra Club. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. Let me first do something that had to be done for a while, and that's to clean the garage. I also installed some LED lights near the workbench for when I need extra light. I wanted to install the sandwich plate, but before I did, I improved the design a bit. There was a little edge from the milling left, and I needed to sand that flat. I turned down the O-ring chamber on the nipples, and I fitted these bonded seals. As you can see, the filter was quite tight. After fiddling around for a while, my neighbor helped me out and we got it off. Once the sandwich plate was installed, I did the vacuum hoses. There's a shared one for the blow-off valve and the steering pump, one for the fuel pressure regulator, one for the map sensor and a spare one. After everything was fitted, it started from the first time, quickly checking if nothing leaks, and it sounded great so far. The correct TPS didn't arrive yet, so I revved the car with the TPS in one hand and the throttle in another. The oil cooler seems fine, no leaks, and the gauges are working as well. Next week I'm going to install the engine management system, which is the Grady Emanage ultimate. I'm going over some crucial settings on the Emanage, so please watch next time, and thank you for watching.